This is Heather. Heather, Han, look here. Heather, sweetheart, look here.
Sherry, is Sherry coming? Huh? All right.
This is Heather. It's Wayne's. It's like Wayne's niece. It's like a niece to Wayne. She's very nice young lady. Right there. And this is Jerry. Wayne's good friend. Who treats us like a family. Like a family.
Part of the family.
This is Cindy, Wayne's childhood friend, and like a sister to her. And she's a very nice woman who treats us like a family. She's a very good person. She loves Wayne like a brother. She loves us like her own sisters. She loves us like her second family or something. She's a very nice woman right there. Cindy to marry.